So we solve all the two problems. You wanted a wideness, you got it. You wanted it clear and in the beat, you got that.
Everything awesome. I would really still love to book the other sessions to still learn more.
I want you to get close to the microphone and look at the camera. I want you to say something to other people who are struggling with mixes and they're contemplating maybe I should book a section with Bunmi Solomon, or maybe not. They're still thinking about it. What can you tell those people right now?
Hi, Mr. Solomon. My name is Mr. Hans. I'm from Namibia, and I've come across your YouTube Facebook videos, and I started following you on YouTube channel. I wrote you an email, and I've done some purchases, and really your products have really improved the way I started doing my mixing. It have drastically bring changes in my mixes, and my vocals are so it correlates now with the two-track beats, and really the material that you have and the one-on-one sessions. I have never since I joined different academies, following YouTube channels, linking with different producers, mixing engineers, the support that I have with you, really, you make me feel important. You give me all the necessary support that I need in times of the way you will text me during the day, you will speak to me, this and this and this. You give me all the necessary attention that I really need. And that's what I love about you. And thank you really very, very much for this one-on-one session that I have today. I'm still really looking forward to purchase another sessions and do still another videos.